A student recently asked me, how do you go about quickly and easily removing blank lines from an Excel list or database? In this video, I'm going to show you two ways. First of all, we've got all of our data here and you'll notice there's blank lines. One of the easiest ways to fix this is to highlight all your data using any selection technique you like. Just remember, you won't be able to go select all or control A. You'll need to drag or use the keyboard to select. So control shift down arrow from there selects it all. And I'm going to scroll back up to the top. Now, here's the first way we can do it. If we go to find and select and we choose go to special. From here, we're going to choose blanks and click OK. It highlights the blank rows in our database or our list. All I need to do now is go to the Home tab over here to delete and choose delete sheet rows. Excel automatically removes those rows and brings your data so that it's all uniform. Now let's have a look at another way. So here's our data. The next thing we can do is highlight our data again. Scroll back up to the top. And if we go to filter and switch our filters on, click the drop arrow beside any one and take the tick out of select all and choose blanks. Click OK. Now, we now have 4 rows in this database that are blank. Now, we only want to select those 4 rows. They're the ones that are blue. We highlight them and we can right click and choose delete row. The rows are now gone. If we click the drop arrow beside the column that we sorted by, you'll notice there's no blank options there. Select all, OK, and your list is now resolved. So there's 2 quick ways to easily remove blank rows in a list of data in Excel.